Here is a flush mount front turn signal that I'm devising for the SV1000, and it should work for SV650 too. Been doing a bunch of test prints. Not quite ready to put it out yet, just as something that possibly other SV owners could use. But it works pretty well. You see it pretty well from the front, but I am probably going to stick some other LED cluster up here just to make sure everyone's aware of what I'm doing should I decide to make a turn. The reason I'm doing this is because I just got tired of these horrible fake carbon fiber blinkers that came with the bike. Because every time I look at them, I started wondering, like, what does a fake carbon fiber blinker communicate? You know, or let's pretend this is real carbon fiber. What does that communicate to the onlooker? I had to put this equipment on the bike so that people can tell what I'm doing, so that the bike is legal. But man, I just can't be held down by all this extra weight. You know, I don't know. I don't get it. I never got it. But yeah, that's what the bike had, and we'll see how well this new setup works.